Hey guys, and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a quick one as I have absolutely no voice, so I'm sorry if I sound a little froggy. So this is going to be a tutorial on how to make mitten clips. This is very simple and easy, but maybe you've never heard of them before, or maybe you don't know where to buy them. But all it is a piece of elastic or ribbon, and it's sewn onto two suspender clips. So for this tutorial, I am using a product called FOE. It's called Fold Over Elastic. It is nice and soft and stretchy against your child's skin, and I really like using this particular elastic. They use it on baby headbands. You can also use just regular grosgrain ribbon, get one that's like 5/8 wide, or you can just use regular elastic that you would put into a waistband. Totally up to you. I'm using regular suspender clips. You can get those at, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Amazon, wherever. I'll have links to everything that I used for this video at my blog, which is charmedbyashley.com. So I'll have those links down below, as well as the information icon. And I'm just going to put the elastic through the loop of the suspender clips, fold it over, and then use a zigzag stitch to sew it into place. So that's pretty much it. I just make two of them, and then I will clip it onto my son's mitten as well as his cuff. And then if he wants to take off his mittens, he can just let them hang, especially because, my kids, they like to take off their mittens. They try to stick them in their pocket, and then they just end up falling out, and then we have no mittens. So it's really good for the little ones who can't keep track of those mittens, and hopefully save you some money so you don't have to buy 50 pairs. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and follow me on all my social media. The links are down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!